This is little Whisky. I say little, he's actually the biggest in the litter. He's 1.4 kilos. And he's a little boy, obviously, and he's black Parti. Hasn't got the brindle running through him. There are a couple of tiny little spots of skin pigmentation in his coat, so he may well develop some spotting as he gets older, so he'll have a few more little black spots around, but he won't be brindling like his a couple of his brothers and sisters. He's got a very cute half and half ear, and he has a blue eye as well. He's going to let me see that. Are you going to let me see your eyes? Not that one, I want to see the other one, eh? Good boy. Lovely blue eyes. He's a lovely quiet boy, chilled. There he is, he's just going to lie down. Take everything in his stride. Oh, what a sweet pie you are. A beautiful boy. You're gorgeous. So he's 6 weeks old. 1.4, just over 1.4 kilos. Extremely well socialised, very, very playful, very friendly, happy. Everything's going well. He's got, I'm just checking everybody over as well at the minute. There's no hernias. Teeth are looking like they're coming in nice. There were a few dew claws on the rear feet when they were born, but they were removed when they were babies, when they were tiny. And he's just a lovely, chilled little man, as you can see. Hey? Are you just a chilled little man? Life's good, eh? He's very playful as well. He's just a nice, happy little boy. Sleepyhead. Are you a sleepyhead? Oh. Let's have a look at your coat then. So you can see the pigmentation in his skin there, but the rest of him's pink. There. Nice thick coat as well. Again, the boys seem to be developing a nice thick, longer coat, like a miniature Schnauzer rather than Biewer. It will still grow, still need to be clipped. Oh, you're a special boy, aren't you? Eh? You're a good boy. Who's a clever boy? There you can see his blue eye there. Beautiful. Oh, you could.